Okay, welcome to Enterprise Core Technologies. In this video, we will be optimizing the PE core. So we will be removing some of the network specific statements on the BGP, and also we will be putting a deny statement on the inbound side facing core. This is the prefix that we're going to deny is the local LAN prefix, since any broadcast might reverberate from the core. Since we allow AS, we do the allow AS in on the R1, so we want to prevent that from happening, creating loop in between the R1 and the core. Okay, so we will do the same on the core. Alright, so our steps, let's discuss. So first, we'll now rename that into a PE router, the core, instead of HO core 01, DC core 01. So will be now be a PE1, and then we'll be using a aggregate IP subnets in between this one, the inbound and outbound already. So we will not be using the network subnet specific to advertise. So the only thing that we're going to do is to allow on the inbound on each PE, and then the outbound is also already allowed as aggregate. Okay, so let's on the step 3. So let's go over under the step 2. So we'll be removing this extra prefix list. We will be using the aggregate only now. So this one is the route map we're going to advertise in each PE core. Okay, so that's for the QCY, and this is that's for the Makati, and this is for the QC. And then the step 3, so we'll now be advertising only the aggregate subnets and remove the specific subnet statements. So there will be a lot of no, and then we will be aggregating the 158 and this is the 159, right? Same true and the 650 and the QC. Okay, and then on the step 4, we will deny the local subnets inbound facing the PE core. So we will deny the inbound. We'll try and we will test if we can still able to traverse after the optimizations. So the user one, which is in here, and the HCP server is in the other side, so it will be able to get an IP from this DHCP server. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the step 1. Okay, step 2, let's remove the prefix list. Right, so let's deny the local subnet. Okay, so let's verify if all the traffic can traverse the PE. Let's ping 158.33. Right, we can ping. Likewise here. Okay, so let's verify. User Google. Okay, so we can now ping from outside, and we can also ping between the LAN router, right? So we're now already completed this iteration. We're actually already completed, so we are now already make the core router into iBGP, and we already optimize and the three-tier network topology. On our next video will be our iteration technical review and the next and planning on the next upcoming iteration. So our iteration 2 is completed. We will on our next video we will discuss what will be the coverage of our next iteration. So probably on our next iteration we will now expand this link. So this should be connected via ISP, but our ISP is just a small one yet, and this ISP we will be expanding, so it has to be we will expand this to have to cater services, P2P services, ELAN. See you on my next video. Thank you for watching.